time! Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Oh, Jakey, put that duster away. It's still achoo, making us achoo sneeze.
Sorry, Dusty. You wait here.
Okay, all right. Today's story's called Something's Coming. Something's coming, said Elephant, sitting up. Nothing's coming, said Frog, sleepily.
Oh, look, he woke Froggy up.
That's right. Something's coming, said Elephant. Nothing's coming, said Little Rabbit. Something's coming, said Elephant. Nothing's coming, said Frog and Little Rabbit together.
I can't hear anything coming.
I'm sure something's coming, said Elephant. But Little Rabbit pushed back the blanket and looked out of the box.
Oh, can you see anything?
Oh, bless you, Bella. I don't know. If Elephant thinks something's coming, we'll never get any sleep until we've found out what it is. Come on, let's have a look round. And with the others following close behind, Little Rabbit climbed out of the box and dropped silently onto the floor. It was very quiet in the moonlit room.
Achoo! Sis, sorry.
They crept to the door and listened. But there was no sound of anything coming. They climbed onto the windowsill and peered out. But there was no sight of anything coming.
Nope, nothing's coming at all. Achoo!
Bless you. They looked up the chimney. They looked in the cupboards. They looked under the sofa. They looked everywhere. See, said Little Rabbit, nothing's coming. Not a single thing. Elephant raised his trunk. Something's coming, he insisted. I can feel it. Then what is it, said Frog. It's a Joe! And the elephant sneezed so hard that Frog and Little Rabbit went flying across the room.
It's a sneeze. He had a sneeze coming.
And landed in a tangled heap in the corner.
No.
Is that what was coming? Asked Little Rabbit, picking herself up. Yes, said Elephant. Achoo! And he sneezed again, even harder than before. I knew something was coming, said Elephant, breathing deeply through his nice, clear trunk. Let's go back to bed now. And soon they were fast asleep.
It was a big sneeze.
Jake, we have been sneezing all day, and we think it was you that was making the dust fly around.
Yeah, Dusty Rooney Rooney.
It wasn't me.
Hello, I'm back.